Are you looking for the top 5 best bar clamps for woodworking? Which bar clamps are actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Irwin Quick Grip Mini Bar Clamp. First up, we have the Irwin Quick Grip 1964758 One-Handed Mini Bar Clamp. Priced at $32.99, this one caught my attention with its compact design and one-handed operation. If you want to clamp smaller workpieces easily, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features non-marring pads that grip firmly without scratching, which means you can work confidently on delicate surfaces. Plus, with a tensile strength of 1000 psi, it distributes up to 150 pounds of clamping force to keep your workpieces secure. The quick grip design allows for instant release, saving you time when you're in the zone. This model is also 25% smaller than regular Irwin clamps, making it perfect for tight spaces. Now, some people complained about the clamps being too small for larger projects. Here's the thing though, if you mainly work with smaller pieces or need to fit in confined areas, this mini clamp is actually a lifesaver. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or a professional woodworker focused on smaller projects. Skip the product number 2, Equip's 12-inch bar clamps. Next up, we have the Equip's 12-inch bar clamps, which come in a convenient 2-pack for just $19.99. This caught my eye for its strong hold and quick adjustments. If you need a reliable grip during your DIY projects, this is definitely worth considering. These clamps provide up to 150 pounds of clamping force, ensuring a secure hold on your workpieces, whether you're into furniture repair or metalworking. The quick release trigger makes it effortless to adjust, which is a huge time saver. Made from reinforced nylon and hardened steel, they resist flexing and breaking, promising durability. Plus, they convert from a regular clamp to a spreader, giving you versatility in your projects. However, some users found the trigger a bit stiff after extended use. But honestly, once you get used to it, the benefits definitely outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you love tackling
Product number 3, Sung 4-inch Mini Bar Clamps. Now, let's talk about the Sung 4-inch bar clamps, which are a steal at just $9.99 for a pack of 5. I was genuinely surprised at how affordable these clamps are, and they're perfect for small projects. If you're on a budget but still need reliable clamps, these might just be your answer. These clamps are made of durable iron and nylon, designed to withstand pressure without bending. The quick release feature allows for one-handed operation, making them simple to use. Plus, with a tensile strength of 500 psi, they're surprisingly strong for their size. They can hold workpieces securely during gluing and crafting without damaging the surfaces. The catch? Some users mention that the size limits their use for larger projects. But if you're often working on smaller crafts or DIY tasks, I think they're a fantastic solution. This is perfect for
Product number 4, NoAIK 12-inch Quick Bar Clamps. Next, we have the NoAIK 12-inch Quick Bar Clamps, priced at $26.99 for a pack of 4. I love the design of these clamps, especially their ergonomic handles. If comfort during use is a priority for you, these clamps are worth a look. These clamps provide up to 150 pounds of clamping force, which is perfect for a variety of household repairs. The body is made of durable nylon, and the high-frequency heat treatment prevents bending, making them reliable for long-term use. The ability to switch from a clamp to a spreader with a simple button press is super handy and speeds up your workflow. However, a few users pointed out that the clamps can be a bit bulky compared to others, but honestly, if you prioritize ease of use and reliability, these are still worth considering. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile solution for both clamping and spreading. Skip this if you're looking for
Product number 5, Equip's 6-pack bar clamps. Last but not least, we have the Equip's 6-pack bar clamps, priced at $34.99. This combo pack includes 2 12-inch and 4 6-inch clamps, making it versatile for various projects. If you want a comprehensive set, this is a fantastic choice. These clamps provide a strong hold with up to 150 pounds of clamping force, suitable for woodworking and metalworking alike. The one-handed trigger release makes adjustments a breeze, and the durable build means these clamps will last through countless projects.
Plus, the ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, which is a game changer when you're working on larger projects. The downside, some users found the 6-inch clamps a bit too small for anything but the tiniest projects. But if you're regularly dealing with smaller pieces, this set covers all your bases. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile set.
So there you have it, the Irwin Quick Grip Mini, equipped 12-inch bar clamps, Jigsong 4-inch mini clamps, No AIK 12-inch quick clamps, and equipped 6-pack bar clamps. Each has its strengths depending on your needs, whether it's size, comfort, or versatility. Choose the one that fits your projects best.